Welcome to Business Computing and Intro to Computers. In this video today, we are going to cover assignment number 1, part 2, which is saving a Word document with the location in the header. To get started, I'd like to show you an example of what the end product will look like. In this example, we show a Word document with the saved location in the header of the document. We can also go and see the actual document in its location and its naming convention, which we will cover today. And notice that I'm using my first name, my last name, the name of the assignment, and it's saved as a Word document. To get started, you will first want to open up Microsoft Word. To do so, you can either, one, click on the Windows key on your on your keyboard, or you can click on the Windows key down in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you've done that, just begin typing Word, and it should come up there, and then hit Enter, and you have your Word document opened up. Now, this is the one I already had, so I'm going to go ahead and go out of that one. I'm going to go exit out right here. We'll come back to that. I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm going to click once on my keyboard and on the Windows key here. It's going to open up there, and I can type in Word again, and it opens up there. Now I have Microsoft Word open, and I'm going to click on blank document once. And once I have that blank document open, the very first thing I want to do is save it in a location. To do that, I'm going to hit File, Save As, and then navigate to the location where I want to save it. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on Computer, and we created our Dropbox earlier, so we should have a Dropbox in there. I'm going to click on Dropbox, Fall, and then BA131 CS120, and assignment number 1. And I purposely made that really deep with folders so that you could see how to organize folders respectively. Now, once I have this, I can highlight that entire file name right there, and I'm going to go and name it Dustin Mason Table and File Management 2, since I already have one on there. And we call this camelback naming when we have the first letter of each name or each word capitalized to separate those out. Now I will just hit Save. And I now have a saved document. Now I'm going to go completely out of this document, and we're going to go locate that document and gather the location of it to put into our header. So to do that, now I'm going to go down here to the Windows Explorer, open that up, and I'm going to go back here and hit Dropbox, Fall 2014, BA131 CS120, assignment number 1, and I've got my location here. And from here, I'm going to right-click on this. I'm going to go to Properties, and right here where it says Location, I'm going to use my left mouse key and highlight this entire thing. Let me highlight that entire thing there. And then I'm going to right-click on it and hit Copy. And now I'm going to open up that Word document again, and then I'm going to go here to Insert in the Insert ribbon, and then go to Header. I'm just going to choose the very top one, and right here I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to right click on that, and then I'm going to hit Paste. Now I've got my header in there. It shows that I know how to find that document. Go ahead and close that, and up here in the upper left hand corner I'm going to hit Save. It's going to now save that in its location. I'm going to go out of it, and I'm going to ensure that when I reopen that document, that The information that I previously saved is still there. In our next video, we will be covering Part C, creating the table with the form elements. In conclusion, in this video today, for assignment number 1, Part 2, we learned how to open up Microsoft Word. We learned how to create a Word document, save a Word document, and add the file location to the header. I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing your assignments completed.